When you send friend requests to friends that you know on Facebook and some other people that you don't know on Facebook, after you must have sent so many requests, Facebook will warn you to only add people that you know on Facebook. Now, if you continue sending this friend request on Facebook, Facebook tends to block you or start asking for your ID or for you to identify yourself or to identify that you're the real person that owns that account. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see all your sent friend requests on Facebook, and you can be able to cancel some of the friend requests or cancel all the friend requests. So just go to any browser and type Facebook. Log into your Facebook account. Once you log into your Facebook account, come to the top right corner here where you see your name and your picture. Click on it. There are two ways you can do this. It's either you go here, click on your name and go to friends, or let's go back, or you go to friends, straight go to friends. This is a shortcut, okay? So you go to where you have your name, click on it, and click on friends. When you click on friends, come here, find friends, then come to friend request. Click on friend request, then view sent friend request. So once you click on view sent request, it will bring out all the people that you sent friend requests. From here, you can cancel all the friend requests that you've sent to your friends or some people that you think that will accept you on Facebook. But you can still take this shortcut. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, just go to friends and click on friend requests, then view sent requests. From here, you will see all the sent requests. Meanwhile, if you'd like to know how to do the same thing on LinkedIn, how you can withdraw all the connections that you sent to people, like a friend request that you sent to people on LinkedIn. So click the video and make sure you watch that video if you want to know how to do the same thing on LinkedIn.